In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Dying Light, the beast not working or not loading. So the first thing that I did myself is that I went into Steam because I got the game through Steam, and then I clicked on Library, and then on Dying Light, the beast here, I right-clicked, and then I clicked on Properties. And in here where it says Installed Files, just click here and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And when that is done, then what you're going to do on your PC, you're going to search for Device Manager right here. So you're just going to click on it. Then you're going to click on Display Adapters here, and you're going to look for your graphics card here. So here is mine. So this one right here needs to be updated most likely if you are not able to play the game. So what I had to do is to copy this one right here, and then I went into Google, I searched this one exactly, and then I also searched for update. And then I went into the official website of NVIDIA, and I updated my graphics card here. And after I have done that, I just went back, I tried to play the game once again, and now it works perfectly. So try this as well, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.